Happiest of New Year. This is Dr. Karmen Smith, spiritual teacher and author of the book, The I Am Solution. In 2018, people are really waking up to another reality, meaning that they're waking up to their inner strength, their self-worth, and they can see the larger picture and they can see their place in it and their purpose. And so most people, I would always say, are sleepwalking through life. They're reactive. They're reacting off of old pain, and even though they're in new situations, they react with the same fear, anger, guilt, avoidance, all of that. Waking up means that you are aware of your inner power, and you don't have to react to the old paradigm, the old way of thinking, that you can blaze your own trail. If you don't know how to do that, I offer a teaching. I'm going to be offering an online course in 2018. I'm going to be giving away my book, The I Am Solution, for free, the ebook, so you can download it and I can send you weekly announcements. There's also something very exciting going on in April of 2018, and that is when I'll be at Rythmia, and that is the Life Advancement Center in Costa Rica. And I'll be doing a week-long teaching on how you can awaken to your highest self. Now, your highest self is something that we're very afraid of because we're not used to knowing how powerful we are. We're used to being in the victim mode. And so during that week-long teaching in Costa Rica, we'll be awakening to our true self. So write it on your calendar, the 22nd through the 29th. It's going to be powerful. And if you don't know about Rythmia, go to rythmia.com. It is an all-inclusive resort where you can awaken to your highest self. What could be more beneficial, more inspirational, and just use your imagination and let it tell you what's possible and who you are. Come to Rythmia, sign up for the online course, and download the free ebook because it's all time to wake up. Love you.